In this video, I'm going to discuss the construct if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equal to this string. This is what they refer, this is often referred to as the main guard or the main block in Python. And main block and main guard are interchangeable and commonly used in the Python community to describe this construct. So what is this? So this is basically a special built-in variable, as this statement says here. And when a module is run directly, the interpreter sets this special variable to this string. And when the module is imported into another variable, the special variable is set to the module's name. I'm going to show you how this works later. And these are just a couple of reasons why we use this construct. So one is it's used to check if a script is being run directly or imported. And number two is almost the same. This allows developers to write code that only executes when the script is run directly, but not when it is imported. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple of scripts. Let me share my PyCharm screen. So I'm just going to uncomment these lines. Oops. Okay, so as this statement says, when a module is run directly, the interpreter sets this special variable to this string. So let's verify that. So I have a module called module1.py, and I'm going to run this module directly. And I expect that this special variable is equal to the string main underscore underscore main underscore underscore. So let's run it. So that's what we see. So this print statement says the value of this is just a string, in module 1 is this. So this statement is correct. And let's go to module 2. So I'm just importing module 1, and I have this print statement here. So if I run this, so it says the value of the special variable in module 1 is this. So what's happening here is that I'm importing this module 1, right? Or this module, which is called module 1. So if I go back here, we see that this special variable is equal to module 1, which is what this statement says. So if the module is imported into another module, the special variable is set to the module's name. So we just verify that with this line. Okay, and Python will continue to run the rest of the script in module 2, which is this print statement. And since we are running module 2 directly, this special variable is equal to main, which is what we see here in the output. Okay, so I'm going to uncomment the rest of the codes in both modules. And I'm going to just run this again. So we see that since this special variable is equal to main, we have this main block, and this print statement is being ran because this statement is correct or true, right? So that's why we see module 1 is being run directly. And if I run module 2, we see that, the value of this special variable in module 1 is this, which is expected. And since we are not running it directly, module 1, I mean, we see this statement in the output. So else is running or ran instead of the main block. I mean this statement, because this is this is false, right? So module has been imported. That would be this. That is the statement. I mean this is the print statement, and of course the rest of the the statement in or code in module 2 is going to be run as well. So we see that this print statement ran, and that will be this line. So since this special variable is equal to this string, since this special variable is equal to this string, this print statement will run, right? And that's what we see here. So hopefully that makes sense. I know it's kind of hard to understand when you are new to Python. So hopefully these notes here will help, and these example modules will help. So yeah, that's all I want to cover in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.